In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to set up the QuickBooks Web Connector to synchronize QuickBooks with Zenventory. All QuickBooks desktop versions come with a program called QuickBooks Web Connector. The synchronization process moves customers, items, and sales orders to Zenventory. Zenventory sends completed sales orders back to QuickBooks and converts the sales order to an invoice. Let's go to the System menu and select Integration. You get no brownie points for guessing that we select the QuickBooks tab. In this case, we're going to connect data with QuickBooks Pro, but we can connect to QuickBooks Online as well. QuickBooks can be set up so that your items and customers are only controlled via QuickBooks. That way, your warehouse and shipping people cannot manually enter customers and items. Since Zenventory supports multiple warehouses, QuickBooks needs to know what warehouse to send its data to. You can select a warehouse, but by default, our current warehouse is selected. Zenventory also wants to associate a user to log against the transactions. By default, it selected me, but I can create a unique user for this too. Finally, we'll need a password to give to the QuickBooks Web Connector. When we set up the QuickBooks Web Connector, a QWC file will be required. You're lucky because the data we just enter allows you to create one from Zenventory. Run the downloaded QWC file from the computer that has QuickBooks installed on it. This starts the setup of the QuickBooks Web Connector. The QuickBooks Web Connector is designed to validate the security of the site you are establishing a data exchange with. You can see Zenventory is a secure site designed to exchange data with QuickBooks. Just say OK to this and we'll see that the integration is designed to run automatically every 1 minute. We recommend you change the auto run period to a longer time period or run it manually. All that's left to do is to enter the password that we set up in Zenventory. To run the synchronization manually, we'll uncheck Auto Run, then check the box next to Zenventory integration. Now press the Update Selected button. The synchronization process moves customers, items, and sales orders to Zenventory. Zenventory sends completed sales orders back to QuickBooks, then converts the sales orders in QuickBooks to invoices. It's pretty straightforward to set up the integration to QuickBooks. You only have to set up the QuickBooks Web Connector one time. From that time on, you'll experience seamless movement of customers, items, and sales orders to Zenventory. When orders are fulfilled, Zenventory makes an invoice in QuickBooks for you. To see the QuickBooks Web Connector in action, watch this video.